Hey everyone, this is Caleb Gutierrez, your Communications Committee Chairman here, bringing you this month's announcement video. First up, what we got going on, I am proud to announce that Student Council finally has a website now. The gracious senior class has given us our own section of their website. You can find it by clicking on this link up here, which is located on the Student Council announcement slides on the banner on the top of your teacher's announcement pages. Or you can just go to the senior class link and find us under More and Student Council right here. Please check it often to stay up to date with all the information, because this website is a one-stop shop for all Student Council information. Also, we have our FLVS full-time Busch Gardens annual field trip. On March 6th, mark your calendar, we're going to be going to the amazing Busch Gardens in Tampa, Florida. You can find out information on getting a chaperone right here. Each student is required to have a chaperone. And for all general information and to buy your tickets, you can purchase them here. You must buy your tickets by February 3rd. Again, all this info is located on the banner and our website. Next up, we also got the New Year's family gathering, where everyone is invited to join us January 31st at 11 a.m. in this Zoom link. Instead of having your normal class meetings, this will be an opportunity for all grade levels and all students to gather together and have a fantastic time together. And thank you to our Mega News Network for bringing us our Valentine's Day Gram. Now you can make a personalized online Valentine's Day Gram by clicking on this link. Make a little personalized message and choose who it gets sent to. This is such a fantastic way to socialize a little bit with everyone here in FLVS. Also, we know that all those pesky FSA exams are coming up, so in case you need any kind of studying tips, you can find them also here on our slides. Contact your sponsors if you have any questions or information, or you have any kind of comments. Please feel free to send them to any of these emails here. Thanks so much for tuning in, everybody, and don't forget to follow us on all of our social media platforms and subscribe to our Mega News Network by clicking down here. Thanks, and have a fabulous rest of your day.